It's Thursday, and you know we do every Thursday, Fairy Garden Thursday 2023. Now, anyone can join in. This is something we do every single week, as you can see. You can put it up anytime as long as it's on Thursday. Make sure the hashtag says Fairy Garden Thursday 2023. You can join in once in a while or all the time. It's up to you. Even if you just want to come over and see what we've been up to, that's fine also. We love seeing our awesome friends coming over and checking out what we're up to. And this is what I did last week. Now sit down with your cup of tea and see what we're going to do this week. Here is my co-hostess. Oh my gosh, you're going to love her. She has a wonderful channel and has lots of content. As you can see, if you like RVing, you may really like her channel. If you like fairy gardens, you are really going to love her channel. And you know, she does something new and different every day. So, get over there and check this awesome creator out. You'll be amazed at what she's going to share. Here's my other awesome co-hostess, growing on Vancouver Island. Oh yeah. She does fairy gardens, gardening, and all kinds of wonderful things in her yard. She always has a project going and she loves to share it with you. Go check her out and see what her new project is for this week.